Hey everyone, if you've just created a Glasp account and want to use it without paying for a subscription, you're in the right place. Yeah, the free plan includes plenty of useful features for highlighting, organizing, and reviewing your learning content. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Glasp account. After logging in, you'll see your main dashboard where you can access your library, highlights, and other learning tools. Next, install the Glasp browser extension if you haven't already. The extension lets you highlight text on websites, PDFs, YouTube videos, and other supported pages directly from your browser. Now open any article or supported web page. Select the text you want to save, then click the Glasp highlight option. Your highlights are automatically saved to your Glasp library so you can review them later. You can also organize your highlights by adding notes or tags whenever they're available. This makes it much easier to search and find important information later, especially if you save lots of articles. With the free plan, you can also use several AI features within the included limits, like basic YouTube summaries, PDF uploads, and exporting your highlights. Some advanced features, such as unlimited private highlights and higher AI limits, require a paid plan, but the free version is more than enough for many users. And that's it. So now you know how to use Glasp for free and make the most of its core features. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching.